I picked up this Corningware loaf pan at GoodWill and I washed it, but it still has some baked on crud. Not much, but it doesn't come off with soap and water. A little dark brownness. And CorningWare in the paperwork itself recommends Bon Ami, but we're going to try Mother's Mag first, because Mother's Mag is more likely to polish. And if that doesn't work, we'll use Bon Ami. Just a dab of Mother's Mag on a paper towel. Mother's Mag you can actually use on plastic. I've said this before. You can see a little brown on the paper towel. And it polishes it to a high gloss. That worked pretty well. For heavier stains, you would want to use Bon Ami. When they recommend Bon Ami in the paperwork of old Corningware, they're not talking about the new Bon Ami, they're talking about the original 1886 formula. You can still purchase this on the internet. There's a black speck there. Not sure what that is, that black speck. We'll come back to that black speck. This way you don't use any harsh abrasives that might scratch it. It might take you a couple of passes too. It doesn't always come up the first time. We'll do the whole bottom. Some discoloration over here. And of course you have to wash it. You know, wash it a couple of times. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So that's how you might find it in the store, but Mother's Mag is great stuff. I'm gonna say it again, it's great stuff. take a look at that black spot. There's a black spot right there. It's caked on food. I've got a little wood sculpting tool that my mother had. We'll try that first. Might not work. That's on there good, that little piece. This might take 5 or 6 times to get it off if I'm using Mother's Mag. But I think it'll wear it down. It'll just keep getting smaller and smaller. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, it's getting smaller. Little by little. It's almost gone, that little dot. It's patience, but it's worth it. And this way I'm sure not to scratch it. The last thing you want to do. I can barely see it. Just that little black dot. Oh, I think it's gone. It's gone! Yay! Now we're gonna wash it. And we'll do a presentation shot. In case there's any leftover Mother's Mag, your fingers can leave Mother's Mag around.